I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are trying to verify your account on Optus, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Visit the Optus website. Go to the official Optus website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Enter your details. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, find the account verification section in your account settings. This is typically located under Profile or Security. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select how you want to verify your account, such as via email or SMS. Opt for the method that is most convenient for you. Quick gotcha: if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is up to date in your profile to receive the verification code. Step 5. Enter verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code, then enter it in the provided field on the website. Click Verify to complete the process. That's it. You should now have your account verified on Optus. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy browsing!